Here's a little update of the truck. I have a couple videos up on YouTube of that Dirty Turtle. As you can see, it's still dirty. Got the forged lift. Actually lifted the front up about 5.5 inches, which is nice. Nice amount of clearance. I can actually get my whole body down inside here. There's the springs. This happened at Dirty Turtle. That was pissed me off right there. Going up a hill sideways and slid down and straight into a tree. Just got the cab primed today. All the dents and holes fixed up there. Still haven't got the cab lights back on. Almost there as far as paint. Here's the back, and this has got about probably about 2.5 inch lift back here. Just keeps it level. As you can see, it's still filthy. So inside still looks the same, except it's filthy and a mess. So alrighty, I'll show you the show you the engine. Yeah, got mud all up in here. So yeah, need to clean all that off, all up in my alternator and power steering pump and stuff. Even up here all over my hood. Had a good old time. So alrighty, well, there you have it. There's my lift kit and progress update. Later.